Hey, what's up guys? Today, I'll be showing you paano i-open yung mga block na websites ng PLDT, Globe, or kung ano mga internet service provider nyo. Today, I'll be showing you how to open websites that are being blocked by your ISP or internet service provider. So, as an example, normally when you try to open blocked websites by your ISP, you will usually see something like this, an error message like this after typing into your browser. You will see unable to connect. In this case, I'm using Firefox. Sabi ni Firefox cannot establish a connection to the server, unable to connect. One other example is, for example, dito sa HBO Go, HBO naman is blocking connection sa Philippines kasi kailangan pang US lang siya. So, either yung website yung nagpa-block sa inyo or yung PLDT mismo ayaw rin kayong ipa-connect sa ibang websites. So, paano natin susolve yan? Today, I'll be showing you how. Using one software, which is called TunnelBear. So, type nyo lang, tunnelbear.com. Tapos, download nyo lang yung software. Get started. It's free. Then, you should get this prompt. Opening TunnelBear installer, click save. Ngayon, kung wala kayong nakuha ganitong prompt, nasa listahan naman, pili lang kayo kung ano yung gamit nyo na gadget. Pwede siya sa mobile, iPhone, Android, iOS. Pwede rin sa computers, which is Windows or MacBook. Okay? Habang nagda-download, kasi medyo malaki siya, as you saw earlier, nasa 70 MB. So, while downloading the installer, gawa na rin tayo ng account. Sa tunnelbear.com, tapos click nyo to. Get started, it's free. So, syempre, gawa tayong account. Enter nyo yung email nyo. Oops. Yan. So, parang Facebook siya. Kailangan muna ng account para makagamit ng service nila. Afterwards, click nyo lang, create account. Okay, so after nating mag-register, syempre mag-email muna sila sa inyo. So, make sure yung gagamitin nyo na email address is valid and working. Here's a sample of the email that they will be sending you. Welcome to TunnelBear. One more step before you get to the fun part. So, click nyo lang, verify my account. Afterwards, pagka-click nyo dyan, mag-open siya ng bagong window. And here, papakita niya, account confirmed. Okay? Ngayon, intayin lang natin matapos yung download ng installer file natin. And I'll be showing you in the next step paano install yung TunnelBear. Okay, once you've downloaded the TunnelBear installer, just double-click it, or better, if you can right-click and run as administrator. And then click I agree, and click install, and wait for the installation wizard to complete. Okay, if your installer gets stuck in brushing fur, don't panic. Usually, matagal lang siya sa part na yun, brushing fur. So just wait for the installer to finish. Give it around 5 minutes and tapos na dapat siya mag-install by then. Okay, once it completes installation, you will see this screen. Now, earlier, gumawa na tayo ng account, so we already have an account, so click login. And here, enter our email address and password, and click login. Okay, and then we will see a little tutorial here. Select a country and switch TunnelBear on. That's it. Okay. Protected by a bear. Okay, click next. Okay, now we want to view a website from the US. So, hanap tayo ng server malapit sa USA para ma-open natin yung gusto nating website. So, eto, United States. Just click there and click yes. Tunnel to United States? Yes. You'll see the bear connecting. And just wait for it. Uh-oh, what's this? So, yung antivirus natin, parang nag-i-interfere. Pero, okay, so parang warning lang siya. Kasi nakakonect tayo sa United States. Ayan. So, don't panic if ever yung antivirus nyo ay mag-prompt. Hopefully, it will work as expected. Okay, now that we are connected, check natin ulit yung website na na-block tayo before. So, ito. HBO Go. Copy natin yan. Open tayo ng bagong window para sure. HBO Go. Paste natin dito para may before and after. And go. And there you go. Now, open na natin yung website ng HBO sa US. Cool. Ayan. So, kung meron kayong mga trailers na gustong panoorin, like yung bagong season ng Game of Thrones, at least mapapanood nyo na ngayon kasi ma-access nyo na yung server ng HBO US. Okay, guys? So, that's how you use a VPN, or in our case, TunnelBear, para ma-access yung mga websites na binablock ni PLDT or yung internet service provider nyo. Okay? Hope this was helpful, guys, and if ever you have questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Click like if you like this video, dislike if iniwan kayo ng jowa nyo, and click subscribe if you want more tips in the future. See you in the next video, guys, only here on Lintech.